everyone, what's up? It's good to see you all here. This is Akhilesh Yadav, software engineer at Palo Alto Networks, and also a member of AWS Community Builder Program. Once again, I welcome everyone in today's video. In this video, today we'll be going through practical applications of AWS Transcribe services. So let's get started. Amazon Transcribe is automatic speech recognition service to help one convert speech to text and a feature provided to developers like us to use in different programming applications. You can convert audio files stored in AWS S3 bucket to text by using its AWS CLI, console UI, SDK, or REST API protocols. You can also remove personal identifiable information and sensitive data like social security number, credit card, bank information, and contact information like email addresses, phone number, and mailing addresses. Companies can provide their contact center agents with valuable transcripts for ongoing conversations while maintaining privacy standards. This service is widely used by customer care team. It can use the transcripts to analyze customer feedback and improve its applications. Different SaaS platforms or software can leverage this service to add transcription feature to video or audio calls. This service is also used by medical healthcare facilities to track and record patient issues through audio calls. This service is also used to research on sentimental analysis. This service is also used by Amazon Connect, which is a cloud contact center, which further integrates with Amazon Transcribe to automatically convert speech to text. That text can then be analyzed to better understand the reasons customers are calling and any issues in the customer care experiences, allowing the company to improve its practices. This service is also used by education learning platforms to provide feedback to students after evaluating their video presentations. This service is mostly used by companies like Slack, Wix, Byju's, Institute, Delivery, and many others in their applications. So let's see how we can get started with AWS Transcribe demo. Over here, I will be using AWS console UI screen to show you the demo, but you can do this demo as well through AWS CLI commands using the AWS SDK or using the REST API protocols given by the AWS Transcribe. So in this step one, you have to create an audio file or download any audio file from other sources. Then you have to upload this audio files to the S3 bucket, and you'll be getting a path. Just copy that path. And step number 4, you have to visit the console UI screen and go to the AWS Transcribe services. And there's a section called transcription jobs in the sidebar. Just click on it. Then step number 5, click on create new transcription job and select your audio file or paste the S3 path. Step 6, once you click on to create transcription job, the process will start and you have to wait a while till it completes. After the completion of the job, you'll be getting the result under the review transcription results section. Step number 8, you can download the transcription script file as well in the given formats. So let's get started with services. Just go to google.com and search for AWS Transcribe and just click on the first result which is visible on the page. And here we'll find the free tier add-on, which is like 60 minutes of free conversions, and you can find different customers and as well as the different use cases provided by the services. Like you can gain insight from customer conversation or search and analyzing the content or create meeting notes and subtitles on the fly. The next thing we'll check is the tracking section. You've already seen the free tier add-on it is, and you can also find the tier-based tracking models. And then we'll click on the getting started section where you can find how to create a free tier account, and you can find different tutorials showing different use cases. You can also find solutions and documentations and SDKs for different programming languages, PHP, JavaScript, Java. And now we'll be starting with how we can get started with these services. So we'll go back to the landing home page and click on this button, which will take you to the landing page of these services. But before we move to these services, we will create the S3 bucket first. So just go to the S3 bucket and click on the create bucket and just name the bucket. It should be unique to you and it cannot be duplicated. So just name the bucket and you can keep the region as default and most of the settings in country regions as default only. And at the last, we'll just click on the create bucket and it will be created in some time. So initially the bucket will be totally empty and we will need to upload some audio or video files from which the audio will be extracted. So I just download the file from this YouTube video and which I'll be uploading. So we'll just click on the upload button and drag and drop the file and we can keep the settings as default and just click on the upload button and destination you can see like where is the file is going to upload it and eventually what you're going to do is like you have to copy the S3 bucket URI path of this file. So once the file has been uploaded, we'll click on that file and there's a button called copy S3 URI. Just click on it and the path will be copied to your clipboard. The next we'll go to the AWS Transcribe UI, the same landing page which they had seen, and we click on it and you will find the left sidebar containing the transcription top section. Just click on it and click on create job and just specify the job name. It could be anything. I have taken a demo job. You can find different settings, languages preferences, input data, just copy the path from the clipboard, or you can browse the file as well manually. And you can see the output data format. So you can pick the settled file format as well if required. And then you can click on next button, which will take you to some more configurations, audio identifications, which will identify different speakers. Uh, and you can also remove contents like sensitive information, sensitive data like credit card number or email addresses or personal details as well. So we'll just click on create job and the job is created and it is being processed. It is being processed and it will take some time. And once the job is completed, we'll be able to find the transcription of the audio file. So let's wait for some time. You can also see the HTTP request format, which you can use with the REST API to create a job and get response once the job is completed. So the job is still in progress. Let's wait for some time. It should be complete in some 1 minute max. And wait. So one more thing, there is like different audio formats like MP3, MP4, WAV file, AAC file, which you will upload to S3 bucket. It takes a majority of the formats as well. So I think let's refresh this web page. So maybe we can see the new status of the job. And you see the job is being completed. So click on the job and you'll be able to find the transcription under the transcription preview section. So here it is. See, most of the time it will be fully accurate. There could be some variations. In the English accents or there is some specific accents of the speaker, but most of the time it is accurate. For more accuracy, you can train the model using the custom language model section. Over here, I'll be downloading the transcript files, the like JSON format and the SRD format which you have chosen when doing job. So you can also see the real-time transcription section as well. And I'll be playing this video on my desktop. You may not be able to hear the audio, but the web page will be able to listen to the system audio and it will real-time process the audio and generate the text from that real-time streaming video. And you can see the streaming data from this video file. It's real time. So this now I can speaking on a topic, and I'll just click on stop, and you can find different configurations same over here as well, like speaker identification, content removal, vocabulary filtering, and other stuff. So I'll just pause the video, and then I will also show you one other video by Satya Nadella, which I'll be streaming back again. Because somehow we may not be able to get the system audio, but I'll be just showing you the demo back again, how two different speakers could be identified in this section. So once you have chosen the particular options, so here the real-time transcription will be able to detect the speaker as well, like speaker 1, speaker 2, and speaker 3 as well, based upon the sound variation and accent variation of the speeches or the conversations used in that particular video. So you see how Amazon Transcribe has been able to detect the things. So I'll just click on the stop over here as well. So you can find AWS Transcribe related job request on Fiverr website. You can just click on the first link, and it will show you different kind of services listed by different sellers as well, like audio or video transcription, English audio transcription, or say different kind of services. You can also find the rates as well. So yeah, there's like good earning opportunity from here as well. You can also find the similar kind of opportunities on freelancer portal as well. Let me show you that as well. So here, so I think I have just opened upwork.com, and you'll be able to find the same kind of services over here as well. Like different sellers are there, and they are providing you the services with this hourly rates as well. And there's one website, freelancer.com, show you that as well. And here it is for more. So yeah, you can find like different new requests, technical writing. Yeah, I think similar kind of job request you can find here as well, and for which you'll be able to bid and get the job. So yeah, there's a good earning opportunities with by using these services. So yeah, thanks for watching the video. This is it. You can find me on Twitter, LinkedIn, or Instagram with the social media handle RK7. You can follow me on LinkedIn as well, and I'll be able to help you on more upon this. So just click on the subscribe button, and I'll be able to help you with more new upcoming topics.